Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can move rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. So what we have here is some dummy data where I've got some products, some prices, and then the supermarket that those products are within. So first things first, I'm going to look to move the Apple row below to row 4. So simply I'm going to select my row. I'm then going to press the Shift button, and then once we see that hand option pop up, we can then drag that row down. So as easy as that, you can move your rows. And as you can see, the apples row has been moved down to row 4, and the bananas one has now gone up to row 3. So yeah, very easy to do. And then next up, what I'm now going to do is I'm going to move my supermarket column to column B. So again, we'll just highlight our column that we want to move, press the Shift button, wait for the hand option to pop up, and simply drag it across. So yeah, very easy to do. And then what we've got here now is we've got our supermarket, our products, and then the prices of those products. So the data looks a bit more organized and essentially just the way I want it to look. So yeah, this is very useful when you want to move your data around for whatever particular reason that you have, and very easy to do as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.